Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're doing something historic, the world's first glow art video of a Tamil actor, and who better to honor than the one and only Silambarasan TR. I'll show you how to turn a pencil sketch and use digital techniques to create a glowing masterpiece. Check out the step-by-step drawing video if you haven't yet. To begin, I'm uploading the pencil drawing into Autodesk Sketchbook Mobile. Once the image is imported, I will select the background color and make it black so that the glow effect will be seen prominently. Next, click of the image layer and reduce opacity to 40 or 50%. Then, I add a new layer above the sketch. This is where all the magic happens. I start by changing the blending mode of the new layer to soft glow. This blending mode is ideal for creating a luminous, glowing effect. With this setup, we're ready to bring the sketch to life. Now, I'm selecting the airbrush tool with a size of around 20 and flow set to 30%. The color I'm using is a dark red. This adds depth to the glow. Let's talk about shadow placement. If the light source is coming from the left side, the shadows will fall on the right side. Let's softly shade these areas using the airbrush, making sure not to overdo it. Shadows are crucial because they create contrast, which makes the glow stand out even more. Once the shadows are in place, I use the eraser tool to clean up any areas where the shading spills over. Keeping the edges sharp and precise makes the artwork look professional. The key is to maintain balance between shadows and highlights. Let's add new layers for the outfit following the same process. Next, I select a lighter red and reduce the brush size slightly. This lighter color is used to create the actual glow. I start by tracing along the edges of the areas where the light hits the face, like the left side of the forehead, the bridge of the nose, lower lips, and outfit. Then, I softly blend the glow outward using the airbrush, creating a radiant effect. For the highlights to pop, I also add some brighter touches of red for his eyes. Then add white highlights. Let's work on the blood patches as well to make it more realistic. To complete the look, I add a soft, glowing halo around Silambarasan by using the airbrush tool on a larger size. This enhances the overall composition and makes the artwork stand out. Now that we've added all the glow effects, it's time to refine and enhance the artwork. First, I merge all the layers that have the soft glow effects into one. Merging them ensures that the glow looks cohesive and allows for easier color adjustments. After merging, I open the HSL, Hue, Saturation, Lightness Adjustment tool to tweak the colors and make the glow pop even more. See how these small adjustments bring the entire artwork to life? The HSL tool is incredibly powerful for fine-tuning the final look. Once I'm happy with the colors, it's time to save the artwork. I go to the export settings in Autodesk Sketchbook and save it as a high-resolution PNG file. And here it is, the final glowing masterpiece of Silambarasan TR. Combining traditional pencil art with digital techniques gives this artwork a unique and modern touch. I hope you enjoyed watching the creation of this glow art, the world's first for a Tamil actor. If you love this transformation, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with STR fans, and subscribe for more glow art tutorials. Who should I draw next? Let me know in the comments below. Until then, stay creative and keep glowing.